Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your casual pictures into a professional headshot. So you can use the prompt here, but let me see. Okay, let's do this corporate classic prompt. But you can definitely use the prompt from Gemini itself. Get your picture and paste it there and go to tools and then create images, and it's going to use the Nano Banana tool for this. But again, you can just go to new chat and use the prompts that they already have for the professional headshot. And this is what it looks like. Maybe you can change the style of the outfit. White t-shirt. Okay, maybe with a black blazer instead. So let's get that picture back here, like so. And this is what the finished result should look like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.